Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies Modak. First, let's gather our essential ingredients like all-purpose flour, softened butter, and powdered sugar. You will also need desiccated coconut for that authentic flavor. Make sure your Modak mold is clean and ready. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure it's perfectly warm for baking. This preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Now let's create the perfect dough. In a bowl, cream together 100 grams of softened butter with 50 grams of powdered sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Gradually incorporate 150 grams of all-purpose flour and a small pinch of salt. Then, fold in 50 grams of desiccated coconut and a single tablespoon of milk. Mix until a soft, pliable dough forms, ready for shaping. With your dough ready, it's time to shape these delightful treats. Lightly grease your Modak mold with a tiny bit of butter or oil to prevent sticking. Take a small portion of dough and press it firmly into the mold, creating a hollow space in the center. Fill this cavity with your preferred sweet mixture, perhaps jaggery and nuts, then carefully seal it with a bit more dough. Gently open the mold to reveal your perfectly shaped Modak. Finally, it's time to bake your beautiful cookies Modak. Carefully arrange the shaped Modak onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring they have a little space between them. Bake them in your preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until their edges turn a lovely light golden brown. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. Then, they are ready to be enjoyed by everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.